and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I am so excited that you are here, and if you are returning to my channel, thank you so very much. You guys, the Lash family is growing and it makes my heart so happy. I'm really trying to start a true community here, a place for people to come together on my channel. So I start every video with a question if you're new here, and it is just a random question to help me get to know you guys better and in return let you get to know me better. So today's question I feel like is a very interesting one. At least I'm very interested to hear your answers. So, if you could start any hobby and money was not an issue, what would that hobby be? Oh man, this is a tough one. Part of me really says I'd probably keep doing exactly what I'm doing now. I would just keep doing my YouTube channel, but I'd probably do a lot more like first impression videos and testing out all different types of products, especially really expensive luxury ones, because I do love watching those videos, but it's not in the budget. So I think I would keep doing what I'm doing, or I would really dive into painting again. I used to be really into artwork, and when I've gotten out of school and just working and everything and having my YouTube channel, I just have put artwork, that form of artwork, on the back burner. So I would probably also dive back into painting. I would love to hear from you guys, and also something new I'm starting on my channel to again help the Lash family connect with one another is at the end of my videos I'm doing a shout out. I'm just shouting out someone who commented on my video. So if you want to be in a shout out, then make sure you're commenting on videos. It's that simple. If you want to see if you were featured in a shout out, then make sure you stick around to the end. Before we hop into today's video, I do want to throw out one little bit of personal information. Today would be my mom's 65th birthday. She passed away when I was 11 years old. So I just want to take a moment to say happy heavenly birthday, Mom, because I can honestly say, like, when I'm doing my YouTube channel, it is something that I know that she would have absolutely loved. My mom also loved putting on makeup. I remember playing with her makeup as a kid, so my love of makeup was definitely influenced by her. So I just want to take a moment to say happy heavenly birthday, Mom. And I'm not going to get emotional. I thought I was going to for a second, but I'm not. Today's video is Instagram Made Me Do It. I have done this video now, I think, a couple times. It's kind of a new series on my channel, and I think it's so fun because I think finding inspiration in others who are so talented is really a great way to honor those people. Oh my gosh, if anyone ever recreated one of my looks, I would just be like, oh my gosh. So I think it's a great way to honor that person and say to them, oh my gosh, I think you're so talented. So I love scrolling Instagram like most people. So I saw this look and I was like, oh, I have to do this. I believe this was attached to some sort of hashtag, maybe the hashtag for truth and beauty, but it popped up on my Instagram feed and I saw this. The artist is Jessica BXTS. I will put the original picture up here, and I will also link her down below in the description box. Her Instagram handle, go follow her. She is so talented. She has done so many beautiful looks, but this one I saw and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to try to recreate this. So if you want to see me try to recreate this look because Instagram made me do it, then just keep watching. So I did already do my brows. I used my Milani pomade. I really like it. I did carve out my brows using the NARS matte concealer, the little potted concealer, just because I felt like this look called for a really clean brow. And I have primed my skin, so now I'm going to prime the eyes. And I've been using the same one I've been using in basically every video because I'm trying to use it up. It is the Tarte Shape Tape Eye Primer. The trick if you have creasy eyes, which I do, is blend it out with the brush, and this is the one I typically use. I'm going to use my Back to Brazil palette. It just has like every color I need in there, and it's a super affordable palette, which is nice. I'm going to start with this very bright orange and buff it out with this more goldeny yellow. And I will most likely work a little bit of this very bright pink into the situation. Using an M573, I'm laying a little bit down on the lid to stay a little lower in my crease. She has a pretty good amount of room between the crease shade and the brow. And I'm just going to keep using the same brush and just laying down the color and layering it up until I get my desired pigmentation. I'm going to take a little bit of that very, very, very bright pink. And I feel like it's more pink in here and then becomes a little bit more red out here, so I'm going to try to do that. This one I am just hardly laying it on my lid so it's really soft and just going back and forth. Her colors are so vibrant. Whatever eyeshadow she used, does it say? Ooh, she used a Morphe palette. I mean, those colors are so vibrant. I will say I feel like I'm impatient with all of my looks. And when I watch other people who do these really beautiful looks, I don't take as much time building up the pigmentation. I'm like, if it's not there right away, I'm just going to go with it. So I'm going to try to be more diligent and build up the pigmentation. Okay, so I am pretty happy with how that pink is right now. I see myself playing around a bit more, so I don't want to put down too much color because I can always add more. Now I'm going to take a smaller brush, the M330, and I'm going to pick up this red. There are not names on here. I do apologize. I really don't even know I don't think buff is the right word. This brush doesn't really buff. It kind of more lays down the product. And I am blending it into the pink. And now I'm going to go in with my Luxie 237 and I'm going to go back into that orange. My phone keeps going dark on me. I need to see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to buff it over the outer edge. This brush doesn't pick up a ton of product, which is actually, I feel like, a good thing right now for this stage in the look. Okay, now there's definitely, dang, this girl has a lot of space to work with. I do not have as much space, and I feel like I'm just getting closer and closer to my brow. Okay, now I'm going to go in with that goldeny yellow. I cleaned off my Luxie brush, and I'm going to try to buff out what I've got here. Try not to go too high at the same time. No, I'm nervous at this point because I don't want the yellow to come down too low and I don't want it to go up too high. Is that asking too much? Her look is so much more diffused than mine. I'm going to hold up here. I'm going to take my beauty sponge. I'm going to lift my brow. This yellow, I feel like, is not the same as she's got there. Mine's coming off way more mustard. And then I'm even going to buff it down here. Her look looks so much better. Right now is that point where I'm like, okay, it could really get better from here, or maybe my look is just going to be trash. I'm going to try something. This could be a horrible idea. Okay. But I want something that's not going to overblend, like too fluffy. I feel like a lot of my brushes are just too fluffy and really going to spread product. So I'm going to go with my Makeup Geek foil brush. I'm going to pick up just a touch of that pink and cap it off really good and try to diffuse this into the yellow. Okay, and then I'm going to pick up red, same brush, tap tap. This girl's blending skills are a dream. I just am not thrilled with how my yellow looks. Cleaning off my Luxie brush, I'm going to just buff that yellow. Brighter yellow. See if that helps at all. I do feel like my pink looks more diffused now, which makes me happy, but I'm still not thrilled with this outer edge. Hers looks so pretty. I do like how that brighter yellow is buffing out the edge of this now. Okay, I feel like I've taken a step in the right direction. I M573, and I'm actually going to pick up a little bit of that hot pink because I feel like her look is kind of a bit more elongated than I did. I'm going to start with this purple here. I feel like it's a pretty warm purple, and then move into something maybe just a tinge more blue. But I really want this to be, I really want this to stick. So I'm going to go in with my Unique cream shadow brush with a little bit of that eye primer and lay it down just on the lid using the M321 by Morphe. I'm not even going to tap it off because I want a really good amount of pigment there. And I'm kind of just stamping it on first, and then I'll buff it out. Now I'm just softly buffing it up into the pink and red. I'm not thrilled with how my purple looks. It just looks kind of patchy. Now I'm going to go into this kind of cooler tone pink. Purple. This is purple. This one I feel like is more pigmented. This one is acting more how I was hoping the other one would. Yay. I don't feel like I have an exact purple to what she's using because I'm scared if I grab the other ones they're going to be too blue. Now I'm going to go back to the M330. A little bit of that hot pink. I'm going to just add a little more pigmentation because when you're adding colors you start to lose pigmentation. And on her look it is so blended, but you can really see each color, which I think is what makes this look so cool. Now a little red, same brush. I'm still not in love with how my purple looks. Now I'm going to grab the Luxie 237. I'm going to try to just very carefully blend purple. I just don't want it to get muddy over here, which I feel like it's kind of doing. A little bit more red. I think I'm just going to have to stop there because I feel like now that's getting a little bit muddy. I'm going to grab a little bit of the pink, pull it this way. Her look looks so much better than mine. That's okay. That's why this series is so fun to me because it helps you really practice. Grabbing a little bit of that bright yellow on the Luxie brush again, tapping it off. Softly buff that outer edge. There is glitter in this, there is under eye, there is white eyeliner. We have much more to do, but I am going to finish the other eye, finish the face, and then come back to do the rest. I am back. I had a little bit, I made a mistake, you guys. So I went a little high on this eye with the primer, so then the purple would not buff out at all. At all. At all. But anyways, I'm still loving the look. I mean, I can live with it, but I would have much preferred it to be more buffed out like this eye. So I did my face. I will leave everything I used down below, and now let's dive into the under eye. Her under eye looks absolutely stunning. It's just a stunning. My really bright orange and my golden yellow. Gonna go between the two on my, I think it's E36, it's a Morphe brush. I'm going to start with the orange. The craziest thing is happening. The orange is looking really pink on my lower lash line. Why is it doing that? Okay, so that's not quite going how I want. So I'm going to pick up a little bit of the brighter yellow and put that down because my orange is looking really, really pink. And now a little bit more orange. Hopefully that yellow will help counter some of that pinkness. Okay, and now I'm going to pick up the darker purple that I was using earlier. And the M432 by Morphe flat liner brush. And push that in. I mean, they do not want to stick. If you recreate this look with this palette, I would apply a really good coat of primer or even a glitter glue, because these are not wanting to stick. I'm going to go in with my Crown C513 and gently buff that. I'm going to pick up a little bit of that pink, tap it off really, really well, all in that in a U shape. She does have a glitter on her lid and white eyeliner. So I'm going to do the white eyeliner now using my unique white liner. Okay, now to apply the glitter. I am scared for this because I don't know. The only one I have that I feel like that would work is Diamond Dust. It does have a little bit of multi-dimensional colors in there, and I feel like her look has that also. But I want something that's going to just gently disperse it. I don't want to go straight in with the wand, so I'm going to use my Crown. It doesn't have a name, but it is slightly fluffy but slightly flat, and I'm going to put it on the back of my hand, then pick it up with the brush and really just pat it on the lid, and I'm not going to the crease, just to the purple. Ooh, that is pretty. I didn't add very much, but just enough that the light catches it. I'm going to go into my Nudendo and pick up this lightest color on an e.l.f. eye crease brush, and I really coated it. She's got a stunning inner corner highlight. One eye always looks better than the other. It never fails. Same brush. Now her brow highlight, actually no, not same brush. I'm going to go in with e.l.f. concealer brush, which is the littlest concealer brush in the world. I'm really going to try to stay close to the brow since she really has a good distance. I'm going to try to fake that I do too. I'm going to apply just like a little bit more with this brush to right here in the inner corner. I just don't feel like it's quite bright enough yet. Lips. I did forget to do my lips. I think I'm going to wear this Joah from the new line at CVS. This is in Sweet Cheeks. I'm going to use my Blink Stop Painting Your Lashes, tube them. She definitely has mascara on the top and bottom lashes. I do think she's wearing false lashes, but you guys, I'm so bad at applying them. The struggle is real, and I'm just scared it'll mess up my whole look. I do like how this mascara makes my lashes, I feel like, look wispy. I think I just put 55 million coats of mascara on, but I'm not done. Truthfully, I'm obsessed with how this look came out. I can honestly say I do not feel like mine is nearly as good as hers. Her blending, her pigmentation, her precision is so impressive. But even with the fact that it's not perfect, I love how it looks, and I had so much fun filming this for you guys. If you like seeing these Instagram made me do it videos, then give this video a thumbs up. Now let's get to the best part of the end of my video. I love doing this. I think this is the third time, and I think the shout outs are so fun to do. I love giving a shout out to someone who is awesome and leaving kindness on my channel. Today's shout out is Rosalva Gonzalez. She has been one of my subscribers for quite a long time now. She comments on my videos all the time, and she's always so sweet and so kind with her words. Her comment was just, "Congratulations on hitting 900 subscribers, so exciting." Oh my goodness, Rosalva, I so agree. I am so thrilled to have finally hit 900, and it's like, oh my gosh, I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. I'm almost to 1,000. That is my goal this year. Oh, I hope I can do it by the end of the year, but thank you for commenting. So yes, that is the end of this video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, both places. And as always, you guys, please try to stay positive, because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.